Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. J. Deepa, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Technology from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see about the filtration equipment, mainly on filter press and rotary vacuum filter. Filtration equipment, if we see the basic requirements of any filtration equipment, mechanical support for the filter medium is the must, and it should have flow access to and fro from the filter medium, and also it should have the provision for removing the excess filter cake. Classification of filtration equipment based on the application of external force, the filters are classified as pressure filter, vacuum filter, centrifugal filter. The pressure filter is further classified as plate and frame filter press, meta filter, and vacuum filter it is further classified as filter leaf and centrifuges. Based on operation of filtration, the filters are classified as continuous filtration, discontinuous filtration. Discharge and filtrate are separated steadily and uninterpreted. That is, discharge and filtrate we are continuous, and discontinuous filtration, the discharge of the filtered solid is intermittent, and the filtrate is removed continuously. Next is the based on the nature of filtration. Here we have cake filters, clarifying filters, and cross flow filters. Cake filters, it removes large amount of solids, and clarifying filters, it is used for removing small amount of solids, and cross flow filters where the feed suspension will be flowing at very high velocity stream across the filter medium. So coming to the plate and frame filter press. So in plate and frame filter press, it consists of a cloth or mesh that is spread over the plates which supposed to the cloths, and at the same time it has a large surface area where the material can flow through the cloth. The plates with the filter cloths may be horizontal, and sometimes they may be hung vertically with the number of plates that is operated in parallel to give a more surface area. Once the filter cake is built up on the upper stream side of the cloth, it is taken away from the plate, cleared, and it goes for the next operation. In the early stages of filtration cycle, the pressure drop across the cloth is small, and the filtration proceeds with a constant rate. So in this picture you can see the assembly of plate and frame filter press. So this blue one shows the frame, and inside we have this is the filter cloth. So inside we have plate, and this is the filter cloth. The yellow one is the filter cloth or pad, and second one is frame, and we have again a filter cloth or pad. So this is setup is continuous. So based on the capacity, the number of plates and frames will be increased or decreased. So these all the plates were held together tightly, and the feed material will be passed between the plate and frames. So you can see the feed enters here and it spreads over the filter cloth, and the filtrate is collected at the bottom, and the solid material gets stick to the filter cloth, and then after a particular period of time the filter cloth will be removed, it will be cleared, and the equipment is washed with the wash water. So this setup, this picture shows the first one is the plate and frame setup, and this is the rotary vacuum setup, and this is the centrifugal filter. So coming to the rotary vacuum filters, the flow passes through a rotating cylinder cloth from which the filter cake can be continuously scraped. So this can be either operated under pressure or vacuum, and here we have divided the drum surface into segments, and in few cases few segments we have vacuum, and in few cases it will be operated under a normal pressure. So this picture shows the rotary vacuum drum filter. So this is the horizontal drum where this drum is divided into sections. So here we have 8 sections. So out of which 8 sections, 6 were under vacuum and 2 were under normal pressure, and the drum is submerged in the tank. So the drum will be rotated clockwise. So when it is rotating clockwise, it takes the slurry sticks inside the over the surface of the drum material. So this white one is the cloth. So the filtrate alone will be moving to the center of the drum, and it will be collected. The gets sucked to the surface of the filter cloth, and when it comes to the normal pressure, the cloth will be removed with the help of the scraper blades. So this shows the clear picture of the vacuum filter. Next is the centrifugal filters. So here centrifugal force is used to provide the force in some filters. So here you can see a perforated drum, and over which a surrounding drum is kept here. So the material is fed inside this drum, and it will be rotating with a high centrifugal force. So when it is rotated, the lighter weight liquid will be thrown out of the perforated drum, and the solid materials will be staying inside the perforated drum. So then the filtrate will be collected through the outer discharge. Next is the air filter. So here air filter were used to remove suspended dust particles or from the air streams. So the air or gas moves through a fabric and dust is left behind. So in this picture you can see the gas raw material, the dust particles along with the air enters here. We have fixed cloth, we have kept the cloth over the surface. So the dust particle gets sticks over to the cloth, and the clear air or gas will be coming out through the center of the equipment. So here the particle size of less than 5 micron diameters were also even removed, and so it can be used for a normal modern sterilization process. So this name of this filter is mainly bag filter, so similar to the working of a domestic vacuum cleaner. So this is overall about the filtration equipments. Thank you.